Good morning, respected judges. I'm Hisham Safaraz one of the participants representing SMPT Tunasanikia Mataram. And today I would like to deliver a speech with a topic about science in everyday life. Well, first of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has created the human brain with extraordinary intelligence, so that is able to think and process everything into knowledge, so that is useful for humankind. Secondly, I'd like to begin my speech with a question. How do we use science in everyday life? Well, we know that in almost everything we do in our day-to-day life consists of the underlying science, from using a simple remote to turn on television and using the calculators. Well, we can say that the world is run by science and its advancements. Of course, this has made it easier for us to spend our life more comfortably than before. Without science and its discoveries, society would be like the Stone Age, and we would no longer be able to lead sophisticated lives. Imagine your life without electricity, without fuel, and without vehicles. Incomplete, right? So, today I would like to tell you some application of science in our standard of living. The first one, science made communication possible. Have you ever wondered how diverse our life will be without the mobile phones, without computers, and without the internet that we utilize nowadays? Everything may be a blessing of science, and there's no way we can live today without all that things. All these innovations of science have brought the world near to us and have made the sharing and exchange of information easier from one corner of the world to another. The second one, in the field of medicine, we know that the progression in science is the reason why nowadays we have found the remedy for millions and millions of diseases and sicknesses. Heart transplant and different basic therapeutic methods are as it were possible due to science and its developments. Specialists can now see the inside of our bodies using the assistance of X-rays, which is another outstanding discovery of science. The next one, tools used in everyday life. From simple calculators to the use of modern household appliances, science has become a part of our lives. Starting from waking up, we use the alarm clock to be on time, using transportation to speed up travel time, and also tools to support learning activities at schools are all using equipment produced from the discoveries of engineering of science. The next one, cooking also involves science. An ice cube that we make at our home is a perfect example of melting as well as freezing. The process of evaporation and condensation involved in cooking are also proof that science is around us. And let's move to the last one. Wastage of food is also science. So, if you leave a piece of bread at a certain time, it will moldy on the surface. Finally, I can conclude from what I explained before that with the existence of science, we can create lots and lots of things to fulfill human needs and of course make our lives easier. Well, I think that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.